I'm gonna throw the crust into the fridge so it can chill a bit. Matcha is a Japanese tea. Very mellow, kind of grassy. But 3 things Pisces should never eat. 1, no coffee for you after lunch. Nothing worse than a jittery fish. 2, back away from the table salt and watch the blood pressure, will you? And 3, we all know it, eggplant. Is it an egg or a plant? Oh. Silky smooth. No lumps, please. This is gonna be out of this world. After it's cooked, let the cheesecake sit out for a bit. And then into the fridge to chill. For a little extra pizzazz, some matcha on top. Oh, goodness. Beautiful, just like you, Pisces. The creamy texture, that graham crumb, and the matcha, ooh, just comes together so nicely.